What is AIoT? IoT and AIoT work together to create intelligent, connected systems that collect and analyze data in real time. But what is the difference between IoT and AIoT? IoT, Internet of Things, connects devices to collect and transmit data, while AIoT, Artificial Intelligence of Things, enhances IoT by integrating AI to analyze data, automate decision-making, and enable predictive capabilities. In short, IoT gathers data, while AIoT makes sense of it and acts on it, creating smarter, more efficient systems. AIoT applications enable real-time data processing for faster, more accurate decisions. In manufacturing, AIoT-driven predictive maintenance prevents machine failures. Another AIoT example is smart irrigation. It adapts water use to AI-powered weather forecasts, saving time, money, and resources. Adopting AIoT comes with four main challenges: data security, interoperability, infrastructure costs, and regulations. AIoT applications are transforming industries, enabling smarter decision-making, automation, and real-time insights. However, the key to success lies in selecting the right use case for your business. Our 4-step guide to launching AIoT applications is built on Euristiq's proven 4D approach, helping businesses assess AIoT readiness, define impactful use cases, develop a strategic roadmap, and deploy scalable solutions. If you want to spend your budget wisely, book a call with us to explore how AI and IoT can drive innovation in your business operations.